Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Civil 3D course. Civil 3D is a powerful software used in civil engineering and design. There are various resources available to learn Civil 3D, including online courses, tutorials, and official Autodesk training. Civil 3D course benefits. Taking a Civil 3D course can offer several benefits: skill enhancement, increased productivity, industry relevance, project accuracy, collaboration and communication. Civil 3D course employment. If you're looking for employment opportunities related to Civil 3D, a computer-aided design (CAD) software application for civil engineering design and documentation, there are several potential avenues to explore: job search websites, company websites, online courses and certification providers, networking, recruitment agencies, consulting firms, government agencies, freelancing and contracting platforms, professional organizations. Create a strong online presence. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.